Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a 5-minute butt lift workout for you and I am so excited. We have not done a workout here in a minute, so this is gonna be a really good one. I'm gonna share a few of my favorite exercises you can do at home without any equipment in 5 minutes that are going to sculpt and shape your butt. Our glutes are our biggest muscle group, but to be honest, we sit on them most of the time and don't really utilize them, so this is gonna wake your butt up. And the more you add exercises like this into your daily routine, the more calories you're gonna burn all the time, even when you are just sitting around. And I told you a couple weeks ago that I wanted to start doing more giveaways here on YouTube, just as a way to say thank you all for being a part of this community, for subscribing to my channel. So I have one for you today. I'll give you all the details on how to enter at the end of the workout, but I wanna show you what I'm gonna be giving away because it's real good. Since we're about to start my 4-week booty challenge, which by the way, you should sign up for, I'll put the link down below, I'll tell you all about it. I'm gonna give you everything you need to work on your best butt this fall. So you're gonna get my 3-pack of booty bands that say, nice butt on the front. And this is my secret weapon when it comes to shaping your butt at home. You don't need crazy heavy weights, you don't need a ton of equipment. You just need these 3 booty bands. You have a light, medium, and heavy, and you can do so much with them. They're gonna add serious resistance, and I'm gonna give those to you for free. Also giving you my 2-in-1 foam roller for the ultimate recovery to make sure you can not only help relax those muscles, but this foam roller is also designed with all of these grooves to get deep into the muscle and to help you reduce cellulite, which is obviously gonna make your butt look better too. And last, you're gonna get the LSF plant protein, 20 grams of protein per serving. We have vanilla, chocolate, peanut butter, so you get to choose what flavor you want, and I will send you a 1-month supply so you have everything you need to build your best butt. So if you're ready to get into this 5-minute butt lift workout, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's get started. Like I said, these moves are all about waking up your butt. We're gonna go all the way onto our backs. And by the way, girls, I'm 7 months pregnant right now, so these are totally pregnancy safe. I'm gonna be on my back, but depending on how far along you are, if you are pregnant, you may wanna put a pillow behind you, but either way, come on down, plant your feet. So heels are gonna dig into the floor. You're gonna just place your hands at the side, tucking your pelvis under. So think about scooping your hips, pressing your low back into the mat to start, and then pressing your shoulder blades down as well. Pull your rib cage together slightly. I want you to scoop your hips all the way to the top. So we're gonna do a bridge here, but it's really the emphasis on the glutes. So think about the top of the thigh, the bottom of the booty. That's what we're targeting here. So we're thinking about lifting the butt up off the thighs, even in this position. So press the pelvis a little bit higher toward the sky. We're gonna go down and up. So just starting with a simple bridge. Now, once you have your booty bands, or if you already have some LSF booty bands at home, I like to do my heavy band around my thighs here to help create some more resistance. But again, you don't need the equipment, especially if you're just getting started. This is a great way to start to activate those glutes. Up and down, good. Squeeze. Think about pressing as high as you can. Dig those heels into the floor. It's little, but you're gonna start to feel it. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, scoop it, good. 3, we're gonna hold it at the top. 1 more, hold it up. Now scoop, lift a little bit higher and pulse up. So you should start to feel the burn right here. Yeah, do you feel that? If you don't, I need you to press a little bit higher. Squeeze a little tighter. Squeeze those glutes. Up, good. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5 for 4, 3, 2, hold it at the top, hold it. Don't go anywhere. Here's what I want you to do. From this position, you're gonna keep your hips lifted, do not let them drop. Step out a couple inches with your right foot, then your left, then pull it in. But don't let those hips drop, don't let them drop. That is the hardest part, but it's crucial. In, out, in, yes. So you're getting a little bit of the hamstring here too, which is gonna help lift. Out, in,
In for 8, 7, 6. You feel that burn? 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it in on 1, pulse it up, lift. Oh my gosh. I know I feel it right now. I hope you guys do too. Up, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down, hug those knees in for a moment. Quick relax, shake it out. We're gonna come into a tabletop. So tabletop, hands stacked right below the shoulders. Shoulder blades pull away from the ears. You're gonna have your hips stacked over the knees, belly pulls in. So from here, what I want you to do is flex into the feet, press the left heel up. You're gonna feel those same muscles that you just felt engaged, engage again. But here's the difference. You're gonna extend the leg long, you're gonna tap it down and lift. So I want you to get to that same height. That's why we start with that bent knee so you can feel it. Good. Up, down, lift. So now you're not only gonna feel the bottom of the glutes, but also start to feel it a little bit more on those upper glutes. So think about your low back, the top shelf of your booty, rounding it out here. Good, up, down. For 4, 3, then we're gonna come back to that bent knee. Hold up on 1, bend the knee, press up, up. Keep it lifted, pulsing. Again, targeting the upper part of the booty a little bit more here. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lower. Bend the right knee, lift it up so you get that height to start. Extend the leg, tap down, lift, tap, lift. So you're gonna feel it again in those lower part of the glutes, lower part of the booty there, top of the thigh, where you targeted it in our bridge. But I want you to bring your mind, your focus to the top. So right where your butt meets your low back, squeeze and lift. Up, up, good. For 4, 3, 2, hold up on 1, bend the knee, keep it high, pulse, lift. Yes, you feel the top now? Totally. Up, come on. Breathe. 8, 7, 6, 5, for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down, quick child's pose, releasing into the glutes, into the side. We're gonna come onto our side body for a little finish here, hitting into the abductors. So think about the outside of the glutes a bit. So your knees are gonna be bent. Oftentimes we'll do just a clam, but because we don't have resistance, I want to make this a little bit more challenging. So you're gonna extend your leg long, press into the heel, flex your foot, lift. You should feel it right on that side, yeah? Tap, lift. Good. The more you flex your foot, the more you drive that heel away from your body, the more you're gonna feel this. You can also up level by pressing it behind you and lifting. So you're not gonna lift as high, but you are gonna feel it even more. Yes, right there. Up, down. You got this. 8, 7, 6, 5, for 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in. Switching sides. So start with those knees bent. Extend the leg. Flex into that foot. You can start here where it's just shooting straight out of the hip. Maybe that's where you want to be today. But if you want to challenge yourself a little more, press the heel behind you, still flexing. Up, down. There you go. Yes. Lift. Woo! Guys, it's so simple, but it burns so good. Your butt's like, oh, hi, nice to meet you. Okay, here we go. Up, good. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. Find a seat. Maybe cross your legs. I always like, whew, they're tight. Crossing, and then you can lean forward a little bit. That'll help open up those hips too. All right, quick, fast. I told you, this is such a good thing to just add into your daily routine, add as a warm-up, maybe to a leg and booty day in the LSF Fitness app, or to a bigger workout to really help wake those glutes up. But now I wanna tell you how you're gonna win that awesome prize pack and more about the booty challenge, because you guys need to do this one with me. All right, so this giveaway again is LSF Fitness Nutrition Plant Protein, the 3-pack of booty bands, and the LSF 2-in-1 foam roller. So all of your booty building, recovery basics, essentials that you have to have right here. You got your workouts, your recovery, and your nutrition. So if you guys wanna win this stuff, all you have to do is so easy. Literally hit the subscribe if you're new here, or if you haven't subscribed yet. Like this video, comment down below and let me know what the next workout should be. And then I need you to join the challenge with me. So I have a link down below for you to join. You'll get all the information about the challenge once you hit that link, so go check it out. But during this, I'm gonna be giving you a free ebook when you join that has 6 delicious booty building recipes. These things are amazing. It's not like boring, oh, eat this rice and chicken kind of thing. Like, no, these are like decadent, delicious meals that are gonna help not only build your glutes, but help you change the shape of them as you do your workouts. I also am giving you in that ebook my best tips for pre and post-workout nutrition. So like what kind of snacks are best to have before you work out, what kind are best after. And for the challenge itself, like I said, it's 4 weeks. Each week we're gonna focus on a different muscle and group of muscles in your glutes to really help make sure everything is working together. So this is not about building some giant butt, it's about building your best butt. So you have daily workouts you can do at home in the LSF Fitness app for all 28 days, plus that free ebook with all those yummy recipes and nutrition tips, and my support and Team LSF, this community of women here to cheer you on every step of the way when you join the challenge. And not only can you win this just for signing up for the challenge today, but I also have a grand prize as part of the challenge for one girl who shows up and works that booty every single day. All right, girls, so that is it. All you have to do to win this month's giveaway is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below the next workout you wanna see here on YouTube, and hit that link to join the 4-week booty challenge. It starts on September 26th. I love you all so much. Don't forget, good things come to those who sweat, so I'll see you next week. Bye.